How to add your VK account on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your VK account on Facebook Mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines in the top corner and then click on your profile and then click edit profile and go down until you find links and click add and then click add social link and then platform and click this one VK and now just type your username and save it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.